Hey guys, today's video topic is science is worth your time and how to know you two have a future together. If you're new to my channel, check out the description box. Usually I leave there links to some of my other related videos. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's start. So first sign he's worth your time is he is not just talking. There are actions and evidence of his words and promises. He wants to help you when you are in trouble, or he can randomly ask if you need help with something. He wants to spend more time with you, he does some romantic gestures, he gives you presents, and he introduces you to his friends and family. And when a guy is only sweet talking you, if he does something for you only in certain situations, like when he needs something from you, then you may feel confused and not sure what to expect, not knowing if this will even work at all. Second one, you do know how he feels about you. You can tell he has plans on you, he calls you his girlfriend, and you are not just wondering what he thinks about you, does he want to be with you, or you just an entertainment for him. You text him with direct questions or hints to know where you stand, because what if you're a side chick, what if he's married, what if he's not ready for anything serious, or he never even wants to be committed to anyone. Or does he see you as his future wife? If you are in the second situation with a lot of questions in your head, then you should think if maybe you are wasting your time. Ask yourself questions. Are you okay with not knowing who you are to this guy? Does this feel right to you to be so confused and not sure about anything? Not sure about future with this guy, with the nearest future even? Or maybe when you ask him, he replies you with, let's see where this goes, and things like that. Be aware that this can last for a long time, and you'll be waiting for a change, maybe even for a few years. This can last, and you'll be with this guy trying to show him you are a girlfriend material and you can be his wife. Like you're trying to deserve that, you're trying to show him that. Having shared values is very important when your goal is a happy and healthy relationship. You need to check if you and your partner agree on important life values, like do you want to have children, how you like to spend your free time, what are your long-term goals, and so on. Because very often people decide to be with someone who they have major disagreements with, thinking that with time goes by their partner will change their mind, and it is naive to expect a relationship like that to be full of harmony. By the way, I have video about unhealthy and toxic relationships. Check it out, the link will be in the description box. Another one is ask yourself these questions. Does your relationship make you a better person? Your self-esteem, your level of happiness, and your life in general, is it better now? Or maybe you feel self-conscious, you spend less time with your friends, you almost like in isolation with your boyfriend. You are stressed and confused and you forgot about your big dreams maybe. What have the changes been since you met this guy? Next sign that the man is worth your attention is when a man you're dating has his own plans and goals. When he knows what he wants, when he's making moves in the right direction, when he's trying to be the best version of himself and he supports you with your plans and dreams. And on the contrary, it is a man who is lost and confused about what he should do. He doesn't know what he lives for, he doesn't know what he wants. And don't get me wrong, we all have stages and periods where we are looking for our purpose and passion, but be careful with a man who's searching for those answers for too long. Next one, a man is worth your time if you trust him. if he already have earned your trust with his actions. Because if you always have these thoughts that something doesn't feel right, you feel suspicious, you feel jealous, then there are two variants. Either you are uncertain and jealous for no reason and you need to work on it, or there is really something wrong in this relationship. And the last one, he respects your needs, hobbies, your choices, and your feelings. If you need time to yourself, he's fine with it. It is important because some people do not accept others people's opinions, and later on you may have problems with this when the feelings will fade a little bit. So these are some of the signs when a man is worth your time and your attention. When you want a healthy relationship, this is what you need to look for in a man. Of course, we all are different, and sometimes we choose to be with someone who is not worth our attention, who is like a puzzle to our damaged and crying soul. But if you set a goal, you'll get there. You'll work on your traumas and you find someone cute and someone who'll make your life much better. Okay guys, let me know your thoughts down below. Hope this was helpful. Go check out my other videos, like and subscribe. Okay, bye!